Hi, this is Killigan with DarkForgeGFX.com, Evolution-Xtreme, DFG hosting, and someone had requested to see how you install themes from start to finish. So, we're going to do that. There's two different options in the most current version of Evolution-Xtreme, so we'll do both. This is just a test site. But what we need to do is grab a theme. So we'll grab one out of the downloads on Evolution-Xtreme. All the themes in these downloads have two options for installing themes. So I'll use one of these. Alright, so we have a theme. Now, what's going to happen is you'll download this theme and you'll unzip it, and oops, kind of going off my screen here. Go ahead and unzip that theme there. I had to resize my screen for this video, so here's another theme that's packaged differently. So I'll go ahead and show you with both. Now, this is just a standard theme. You'll have several different files. You'll have a file with probably extras. It has header images, form buttons, flash navigation. Then it has the theme files. Once you see all of these files like theme.php and so on and so forth, just back up one. This would be the folder that you need to upload. Now, what you can do is in FileZilla, we'll just refresh this folder. You would just navigate to that folder there. We just want that folder. Now, this is the server. We'll just go into the public HTML. We'll go into themes, and the easiest way to do it is just drag and drop this over here and to this section here somewhere, but you don't want to drag and drop it into another folder. I don't personally do any of it that way. I don't like installing themes by dragging and dropping here. I personally drag and drop from the folder itself, but we'll do it here. You just drag and drop it and wait a few minutes, and it'll start uploading the theme. When it's done, it'll let you know that it's finished. Now, while that one's uploading, I'll explain the other theme. This theme that we downloaded off of Evolution-Xtreme has a root folder, and then themes, and then it has an auto install and a manual install. This manual install, you would actually upload this, just like we are the other theme. The auto install is a zip file. So to install this theme as from a zip file, you would just go into your admin panel, you go to theme management, and you scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says import theme allowed extensions.zip. You'll click browse. We're going to find the AD Exodus, and we're going to browse to the auto install, and we're just going to click on the zip file and click open and click install theme. We'll just wait a second. Now you see AD Exodus is here, and you can preview it. So it is installed. You can also edit the theme. It just has a couple settings, not many here, so you don't really need to change anything there. You could set it to default, if you just click that button there, but we don't need to. Now, let's check FileZilla here. And our upload is finished. So we should be able to scroll down to the bottom here and we'll see DFG Co-op. And we'll just click Quick Install. Now it's installed. Now we can scroll through and we can see DFG Co-op. And we can preview it. And it looks fine. So just go back out to our home page and we'll just check both. There's the ADXs and it works fine, and there's the DFG Co-op and it also looks fine. Now some themes have different options. For example, the you just have to look with each theme because different coders have different options. Like for example, in this theme you can change the links. If I wanted to change the home link to say main, I would just change it there, say main. This particular theme, I have the ability to change the site width, so I can change it to say 80% and just click Save Changes. And then we'll go back to the home page. It's going to be a little broke here, but now it says main, and instead of home, we go back real quick. I'm going to fix that. This theme wasn't set up to use the 80%. I'll just change that to 1000. See if that works. There we go. So you can modify your themes based on whatever the coder put in the options, and that's how to do this with manual install and the auto upload. Now, if you wanted to know how to do it in the other FTP program, which is WSFTP Pro, let me just go ahead and uninstall this thing real quick. I do want to uninstall it. Now it's down here in these files, and what we'll do is we'll just close this. We don't need it. Close that, and now I have the same thing over here. We just go into public HTML, got our themes here. I'm going to delete the co-op theme real quick. It will take a second. Now, FileZilla, WSFTP Pro, and all that, they work a little bit differently. To upload the co-op theme now, I'm in my themes folder, public HTML themes folder. I'll go to my theme, and that's the theme itself. So I want to go back, and I want this folder, and I can just click this button, or I can drag and drop it. We'll just go ahead and click the button, and we'll let it upload. FileZilla, QtFTP, some of those other FTP programs, they create several connections at one time. It seems that some people have more problems with those than this FTP program. This is my preferred choice, but I have several other FTP programs to use, but you know, it's all about preference. Now our theme's here again, and we'll just click quick install, and the theme's installed again. If, for example, you wanted to download a theme because you liked it, and you've made changes to it and everything, you can click on this download theme backup. Just click it, and it will save that file. We'll just save that into that same folder there. Now the file structure is going to be slightly different, because when you unzip this, it's going to have several folders. So you're going to want to go through Home, then New Test, Public HTML, Themes, and there's the theme. This is the only folder you need. So that's how to install and uninstall and backup themes quickly. I really hope that helps. Thanks.